Hi and welcome to the unboxing of this S-CSL DS650, a touch and type feature phone and also featuring torchlight, dual SIM, and also promises 10 days of battery backup. And before we get into the unboxing, take a look at the basic specification of this phone. So the normal GSM network are covered. Data GPRS class 10. The display is 2.8-inch QVGA resistive screen, which you can touch. Camera 1.3 megapixel at the back. Lab battery is lithium-ion 1800 mAh, which promises the 10 days battery backup. Expansion slot, micro SD up to 8 gigs, if I'm not mistaken. Available color is red and blue. So without further ado, let's take a look what we have inside the box. First and foremost, you have the DS650 itself. So featuring touchscreen and keypad. On the top you have the torchlight and also the headphone jack. And on the left side of this phone you have the micro USB ports. At the back we have the 1.3 megapixel camera and also a speaker. And that's about it. Take a further look inside the box what we have. So you have the 1800 mAh battery, S-CSL limited warranty card, let's see what we have here. A micro USB cable, a wall plug charger, hands-free kit, and last but not least, the user manual. Now let's take a look on the software side of the DS650. So this phone featuring touchscreen and also keypad feature. So the home screen, basically you have three home screen, default home screen, and by long pressing the screen you can edit your screen, whether you can put your favorite widgets or you can add some shortcuts. For example, I want to add this analog clock widget on top, just do it as like that. And if I want to add shortcuts, I hit shortcut and select one of the shortcuts and it will be added onto the screen. So next, let's take a look on the menu of this phone. So first you have the contacts, the messages. Now take a look at the messages. So since this phone featuring touch and also keypad, you can use the touchscreen to input your text or messages or any text input through the screen, or if you prefer to use the keypad you can do so. So this phone featuring dual input, whether you want to use the screen or use the keypad. Next we have the call logs. You can see all calls, dial calls, missed call, and received calls. As for the camera, it is a 1.3 megapixel camera. So you can use either the micro SD card as your saving point, or you can also use the phone memory as your saving point. So these are some of the menus that you can do. Some of the function, you can change the exposure value of your camera. You can zoom in up to 2.0, and that's about the camera. Next, you have the recorder, which you can use to record your voice, audio, and you have the media, where all the old playing medias, MP3s, all songs, all videos can be played from here, which is called media. Storage is where you can look at your storage of your phone. So this phone has total 478.5K of storage free, with 5 or 6K already used. That's what it says. Gallery, it's where you see all your recorded items, or your pictures, or your settings. You can change your settings from this menu. What else? Oh, you have another menu. Internet, Facebook, Twitter, Spice apps, S-CSL Fun Club, Torch. So the torchlight is on just by clicking the icon. We turn on and off the torchlight. Games, you have Lock the Block and Smash and Wins comes pre-installed. You can also install other Java games from the S-CSL Fun Club, of course. FM radio, so you'll need the earphone to listen to FM radio as usual. Organizer, so you're in the organizer, you have calendar, task, alarm, wall clock, notes, stopwatch, unit converter, currency converter, and that's about it. Now, next menu, split with just like that. You have Yahoo Weather, Yahoo Finance, Yahoo News, all them Yahoo apps also included with this phone. Calendar, alarm, you can set your alarm, ebook, world clock, Bluetooth, calculator, SIM toolkit, currently not available, profiles, dialer, unit converter, and last but not least, currency converter. So this is the dialer. You can either use your keypad to dial, or use the home screen keypad to dial. So it's all up to your preferences, whether you want to use the screen or your keypad. So this phone can use both. So in the end, it's all up to you. And that's pretty much about the software side of this phone. Thank you for watching.